Hi, hello, and welcome to Math Topics for You. Today's topic is Introduction to Sets, in which we are going to see the set definition and examples of sets, and finally, we are going to see how to write a set. In real life, the objects around us we see daily are collection of objects. They can be grouped together as collection based on some conditions. Here I have given the collection of fruits. This can be grouped together based on the nutrients present in each fruit. The second example I have given is collection of books. This can be grouped together based on the contents present in it. These real life collection of objects should be handled in mathematics too. To handle these objects in mathematics, we need a special language, and here comes the set language. The concepts of sets was introduced by the German mathematician George Cantor. Now let's see what is a set. A set is a well-defined collection of objects. This is the definition of a set. A set should contain the elements which should be well defined. That is called a set. For example, set of all prime numbers. By seeing the statement itself, we can say it is a set. Now, let's see some collections from which whether we are able to state it is a set or not. So, the first example is the collection of all rivers in India. In the given statement, the rivers is the keyword we are going to use to find whether it is a set or not. So, it is clearly stated. So, it is a set. The second example is the collection of good students in a class. See, in the statement, good students is the keyword, but we cannot find a good student in a class if a particular condition is not given. So the statement is not well defined. So it is not a set. Third example is the collection of the colors in a rainbow. See, in the given statement, the colors of a rainbow can be easily identified. So the given collection is well defined. So it is a set. Fourth example is the collection of beautiful flowers in a garden. See, in the given statement, beautiful flowers is given. See, for one person, the beautiful flower may be a jasmine, or another person, the beautiful flower may be a lotus. So it is not really well defined. So it is not a set. So far, we have seen the set definition and some collections from which we are able to find out it's a set or not. Now, we are going to see how to write a set. Let's see example. A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here, the set is denoted by a capital letter, that is the name of the set, and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are the elements of the set which are enclosed in curly braces. So while we write a set, we have to clearly remember the 3 points. The given set is denoted with capital letters, elements are enclosed in curly braces, and elements should be listed once. To have a clear understanding about sets, let's see some more examples. The first one, A is equal to violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. From the statement itself, we can clearly say it is a set of all colors in a rainbow. Second one, B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So here the set is nothing but the numbers that start with 1 and it goes endless. So they are the counting numbers that start with 1. So they are the natural numbers. So it is a set of all natural numbers.